Familiarizing with the ITTOs of every process lays a foundation to not only understanding how a particular process is developed and serves its purpose, but also may help you answer one or two questions of the exam where you may be asked to identify a particular set of documents required for a particular process. Yes, you may get a question or two where you will be asked to identify the right combination of inputs, tools and techniques, or outputs to a certain process of the process map. So let's discuss each and every inputs, tools and techniques and outputs to every process of project scope management. As part of planned scope management inputs, we have the project charter, project management plan, enterprise environmental factors, and organizational process assets. The project charter, to start off with, documents the project purpose, high-level project descriptions, assumptions, constraints, and high-level requirements that the project is intended to satisfy. This project will give a generic requirements what the project will be delivering. In a project management plan, components taken into consideration would be the quality management plan that describes the way the project and product scope will be managed and can be influenced by how the organization's quality policies, methodologies, and standards are implemented on the project. A project lifecycle description that will help determine the series of phases that a project passes through from its inception to the end of the project. The development approach, which will define whether waterfall, iterative, adaptive, agile, or hybrid development approaches will be used. As part of the enterprise environmental factors that can influence the plan scope management process would be the organization's culture, infrastructure, personnel administration, and marketplace conditions. Lastly, we have the organizational process assets. The organizational process assets that can influence the plan scope management process would include policies and procedures, historical information, and lessons learned repositories. See you in the next lecture.